Hello! In this video, we present the synthesis of Vonoprazan according to its retrosynthesis presented in the previous video. In this synthesis, the key step consists of preparing the 5-membered nitrogen heterocycle from commercially available raw materials, as we will see later on. The synthesis begins with the regioselective bromination of aniline 1, catalyzed by copper salts, and using potassium bromide and hydrogen peroxide to oxidize the bromide ion to the bromonium ion. The orthobromoaniline 2, thus obtained, is reacted with nitrosyl tetrafluoroborate 2 through the Sandmeyer reaction to substitute the amino group by a fluorine atom to produce orthobromofluorobenzene 3. The bromine-lithium exchange is performed by treating 3 with butyllithium to produce the arylithium intermediate, which, without being isolated, reacts with crushed dry ice to generate carboxylic acid 5. The reaction of the carboxyl group in 5 with the complex formed by dimethylcuprate and lithium cyanide produces methyl ketone 6. The reaction of ketone 6 with allylamine 7 generates imine 8, which upon treatment with 2 equivalents of N-chlorosuccinimide yields the dichlorinated intermediate 9. Treatment of 9 with cuprous chloride using bipyridine as a ligand forms the secondary radical 10, which, via an intramolecular 5-exo addition, yields the cyclic radical 11, which upon trapping the chlorine from the reaction of 9 with cuprous chloride gives rise to the cyclic dechlorinated intermediate 12. This sequence of transformations constitutes the atom transfer radical cyclization reaction, abbreviated as ATRC. Through a nucleophilic substitution reaction, the chlorine attached to the chain is replaced by the nitrogen from N-methylformamide 13, yielding intermediate 14, which in a basic medium undergoes a chlorine elimination reaction, forming pyrrole 15, which finally tautomerizes to pyrrole 16. The regioselective sulfonation of pyridine 17 is achieved with sulfur trioxide in the presence of mercury sulfate, producing 3-pyridyl sulfonic acid 18, which upon reacting with phosphorus pentachloride generates sulfonyl chloride 19. Pyrrole 16, when treated with sodium hydride, reacts with sulfonyl chloride 19 to yield sulfonamide 20. Finally, all that remains is to deprotect the secondary amino group present in the final product by acid treatment of 20 to obtain it with an 86% yield. In summary, here are the main raw materials and their structural contribution. Thank you for your attention.